Jasmine, you spoke to people who actually had water inside their homes.
Yeah, Jonah, several people we spoke with here said water made it inside of their homes and in their cars, and now they are making efforts to recover. We saw several inches of water across the lower Ninth Ward.
It looked like a river is what it looked like. I mean, the water was pretty much from house to house, covering all the street, the sidewalk, everything. But the
Lindsay
thing that
Edwards
was
says
kind
the
of
area
interesting was
outside
that
her home in the lower Ninth Ward was completely covered in water.
I guess we were surprised because it has never flooded like this here before.
But the water did not stop outside her house on Burgundy Street. She says at least 3 inches made it inside.
But we're making some progress here.
As the water continued to rise, Lindsay tried to sweep it away, but those efforts weren't enough.
I thought I could just sweep in there, and then I noticed that the walk-in shower was like a swimming pool.
Fans are on across her home as she tries to dry the water, and sandbags now sit on her porch in hopes of preventing more water from coming inside. Heavy rain caused extreme flooding across the lower Ninth Ward.
And it got deep quick, came over my hood and my motor locked up.
Tommy Richard says the water rised fast while he was driving, and unfortunately, it left his car totaled.
It's upsetting. My car is my baby and it's gone.
Neighbors say excessive flooding in the lower Ninth Ward has been an issue for years, and they hope more could be done to prevent it from happening again.
This has been an ongoing problem. It ain't just started. This should have been something that's been taken care of.
You still wonder about, when were the pumps working? When were they turned on? It just makes you wonder, and you'd like to have some accountability.
And Lindsay tells me she plans to prepare better for the next storm. She plans to use more sandbags to secure her home, as well as parking her vehicles on the neutral ground. Reporting live in the lower Ninth Ward, Jasmine Franklin, WDSU News.
And today's